This is a pair of tow mirrors that include the driver's side and the passenger side. Tow mirror is only available for the 1998 to 2001 Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, 3500. Our tow mirror is a specific mirror that can only be fitted to a suitable vehicle. So make sure your model is correct before buying. As a seller of auto parts, Situ is determined to provide auto parts with good quality and reasonable price. Therefore, here you will get a tow mirror comparable to the original tow mirror. Our tow mirror is strictly manufactured in accordance with OEM standards, after various tests, to meet your needs. The black housing with textured is very simple and elegant, and the high-performance ABS plastic is almost independent of temperature, humidity and frequency. Power adjustment is more convenient and faster than manual adjustment. Power adjustment allows you to change the mirror position by power switch in the car, so you don't have to get off the car or reach out to manually adjust the mirror, saving time and safety. The flip-up function is manual. It only requires you to pull the mirror away from your vehicle, extending your line of sight so that you can easily see the side of the trailer. Situ will provide you with high-quality tow mirror and shopping experience. If you have any problem before and after the order, please contact us. We will try our best to help you solve it.